Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start from sum number 19 from the exercise 8.11. For the previous part, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, so here in sum number 19.1, integration e to the power ax sin bx dx. So here we will solve this integration by UV rules. So first let this one I equal to, so as here first write the trigonometric function, that is sin bx, then integration e to the power ax dx, okay, minus integration now ddx of sin bx, and that equal to, you know that ddx of sin bx, that equal to cos bx into b, okay. So you can write down here cos bx into b, and then integration of e to the power ax. So integration of e to the power ax will be e to the power ax by a. So here dx. So it will be, now write down sin bx into e to the power ax by a minus b by a integration cos bx e to the power ax dx. So here e to the power ax by a sin bx, and in that case here also you can apply the UV rule. So for UV rule it will be cos bx, then integration this one, so it will be e to the power ax by a minus, now derivative of cos bx, so it will be here plus sin bx into b, and then here again e to the power ax by a dx. Okay, I hope it's clear. So now e to the power ax by a sin bx minus b by a, and here it will be cos bx, then e to the power ax by a plus, now this one here it's 1 by a and then b by a, here b and a, so integration sin bx e to the power x, and that equal to again I, so you can write down here b by a I, okay. So now next thing is e to the power ax by a sin bx minus, now if you multiply b by a with this one, so it will be here e to the power ax, here a square, then b into cos bx, then plus minus minus, it will be b by a whole square I, and in the left hand side you have also I, okay. So now here if I will be common here, so it will be 1 plus b square by a square, and the right hand side you have here e to the power ax by a square, that equal to common, so it will be a sin bx minus b cos bx, okay. So then here I equal to, it will be e to the power ax by a square, and this one will be a square by a square plus b square, then a sin bx minus b cos bx. So here a square cancel out, that means your final answer will be e to the power ax by this one, then a plus sin bx minus b cos x. You can also write down here c, so it will be c, okay. So this is your final answer. Now sum number 19.2 is as same as sum number 19.1, so I hope you can solve it. So here sum number 21. So in sum number 21, integration x square e to the power x cube and cos x cube dx. So first let here x cube equal to t, okay, then differentiation with respect to x, so it will be 3x square dx, that equal to dt, okay. So that means here x square dx equal to dt by 3. So write down here 1 by 3 first, x square dx will be dt, and here e to the power x cube means e to the power here t, okay, e to the power t, then cos t, and this one will be dt, okay. So now you have to here that equal to I, so 1 by 3, then first write down cos t, then integration e to the power t dt minus integration. Now derivative of cos t, that equal to sin t, and e to the power t will be e to the power t and here dt. So next 1 by 3 and this one will be cos t e to the power t plus, now here again sin t first write down, then integration e to the power t e to the power t, and then next minus integration. Now ddx of sin t, that equal to cos t, and integration e to the power t, that equal to et, so dt. Okay, so now this one here cos t into e to the power t dt, that equal to 3i. Okay, that equal to here 3i, remember that. So in that case here you can write e to the power t cos t plus this one will be sin t e to the power t minus 3i. Okay, so now if you multiply this one, so here left hand side it will be 1 by 3 e to the power t cos t plus sin t e to the power t, and here 1 by 3 multiply this one, it will be minus I. So here if I will be here, so it will be 2i equal to 1 by 3 e to the power t cos t, and here e to the power t sin t. So now here I equal to 1 by 6, then e to the power t common, so it will be e to the power x cube, then in bracket here cos t means cos x cube plus sin x cube plus c as your answer. Now next one, sum number 22, integration e to the power x sin square x dx. So first you know that sin square x, the formula of sin square x, that equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 by trigonometry. So here e to the power x, and instead of sin square x you can write down 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. So here half will be here, and if you separate the integration, so it will be e to the power x into 1, so e to the power x dx. The next one half will be again and e to the power x cos 2x. So for the first one it will be very easy, e to the power x only, and for the second one here half e to the power cos 2x. So first here half integration cos 2x, let that one equal to I2. Okay, that one equal to I2. So write down here I2 integration e to the power x, so it will be here also half. Okay, so that means e to the power x cos 2x dx. So now here first write down cos 2x, then integration e to the power x, it will be e to the power x minus integration ddx of cos 2x, that equal to sin 2x by 2. Okay, sin 2x ddx of that equals sin 2x into 2. So it will be here 2 sin 2x and then e to the power x dx. So now that equal to e to the power x cos 2x, then here plus 2. So first write down sin 2x and then integration e to the power x, it will be e to the power x minus now ddx of sin 2x. So ddx of sin 2x, it will be here cos 2x. So cos 2x into 2 and then integration e to the power x, it will be e to the power x dx. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So now here e to the power x cos 2x, that equal to I2. So write down here e to the power x cos 2x plus 2 into sin 2x e to the power x, then minus, and here 2 into I2, so minus 2 I2. Okay, and there will be here also going 2, so 2 into 2 it's become 4, so 4 I2. Okay, so now as in the left hand side you have I2, so it will be now 5 I2, that equal to e to the power x cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x e to the power x. Okay, that equal to here 5 I2. Now here I equal to half e to the power x, then minus I2 into this one. So if you want to put down the value of I2 here, then it will be now here I equal to half e to the power x minus half, and then I2 means first this one e to the power x. So e to the power x cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x e to the power x, it's divided by 5. Okay, it's divided by 5. So now here half e to the power x minus 1 by 10 e to the power cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x into e to the power x. So now if 1 by 10 e to the power x common, so it will be here 5, then minus cos 2x, and then again minus 2 sin 2x as your answer. Now sum number 21(1), e to the power sin inverse x dx. So first let sin inverse x equal to t, then from that x equal to sin t. Okay, x equal to sin t. Now the derivative of this one, dx equal to cos t dt. Okay, dx equal to cos t dt. So here I equal to integration e to the power t, and instead of dx, that equal to cos t dt. So now it's very easy. So first cos t, then e to the power t dt, minus then derivative of cos t, that equal to minus sin t, then e to the power t dt. Okay, so it will be now cos t e to the power t plus, so first here sin t, then integration of e to the power t, so e to the power t, then minus, then integration derivative of sin t, that equal to cos t, and then e to the power t dt. Okay, so now sorry, this one dt. So as this one equal to I, so you can write down here e to the power t cos t plus sin t e to the power t minus I. So that one equal to 2i. So 2i equal to, if e to the power t common, so cos t plus sin t. Okay, now you have to just put down the value of t here. So here it will be I equal to half, then e to the power t means e to the power sin inverse x. So cos t, that means cos. Here sin x equal to, first put down the sin x value. So sin x equal to, sorry, sin t equal to x. For this one it will be x, and for cos t, as you know that sin t equal to x, then sin square t equal to x square, and then cos square t equal to 1 minus sin square t. So it will be 1 minus x square, then cos t equal to root over 1 minus x square. Just put down the value 1 minus x square. Okay, so that is your answer. Now sum number 21(2). So this is one of the most important problems, so please observe it very carefully. So integration e to the power m tan inverse x by 1 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 dx. So first let m tan inverse x that equal to t. So in that case here tan inverse x equal to t by m. Okay, then x equal to tan t by m. Okay, so x equal to tan t by m, that means dx equal to sec square t by m. Okay, sec square t by m, and then again 1 by m. Okay, derivative with respect to here x, and that equal to dt also here. So just write down here dt. Okay, so now as dx equal to this one, and here m tan inverse x equal to t, x equal to this one. Okay, so just replace it. So upper one will be e to the power t. Now next one, as here x square, so x square means tan square t by m. So it will be 1 plus tan square t by m whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay, and next instead of dx, just write down here sec square t by m, here 1 by m, and then dt. Okay, just write down it very carefully. So then 1 by m. Now as here 1 plus tan square, you know that 1 plus tan square means it will be again sec square. So sec square t by m, and here also sec square t by m, but here 3 by 2, so it will be only 3. So 2 cancel out, then only 3, that means sec cube t by m. So now sec square t by m cancel out with this one, so here only 1 by m integration e to the power t by sec t by m. Now sec t by m means 1 by sec, that means cos t by m dt. Okay, cos t by m dt. Now integration with respect to here by parts. So 1 by m, then first write down cos t by m, then integration e to the power t, it will be e to the power t minus, then here derivative of cos t by m, so plus, then sin t by m. Okay, then sin t by m, then 1 by m, and then again e to the power t dt. So now here 1 by m e to the power t cos t by m plus, and here 1 by m integration e to the power t sin t by m dt. Okay, sin t by m dt. So that equal to, let that equal to I. So 1 by m e to the power t cos t by m, then 1 by m, first write down sin t by m, then e to the power t, then minus this 1 by m will be here also 1 by m. Now integration derivative of this one, so cos t by m, again 1 by m, so it will be, write down here m square, you can write down, and e to the power t dt. Okay, so now 1 by m e to the power t cos t by m plus 1 by m sin t by m e to the power t minus 1 by m, and as here 1 by m, this one will be I, so 1 by m I. Okay, now next one. So in the left hand side you have I, and if this 1 by m multiply with this one, it will get 1 by m square. So it will be 1 plus 1 by m square. Okay, in the left hand side. The right hand side you have 1 by m e to the power t cos t by m, and then it will multiply with this one 1 by m square e to the power t sin t by m. Okay, it's a lengthy problem. Now next, so in the left hand side you have m square plus 1 by m square, and if you common here e to the power t m square, so it will be m cos t by m plus sin t by m, then m square cancel out. So here I equal to e to the power t by m square plus 1, and m into cos t by m plus sin t by m. Now you have to just put down the value of t. So the upper one will be e to the power, and here t means m tan inverse x by m square plus 1. Now here you can do also one thing, if you here common cos t by m, okay, common cos t by m, then it will be here m plus then sin t by m by cos t by m, that equal to tan t by m. Okay, that means from these two just common cos t by m, so first one will be m and second one will be sin by cos, that equal to tan t by m. So now here e to the power m tan inverse x by m square plus 1, and here cos t by m will be 1 by sec t by m, 1 by sec t by m, and here m plus tan t by m, tan t by m means x, so m plus x. So that one will be m plus x. Now the next one, here just you have to put down just the value of sec t by m. You have to just put down the value of sec t by m. So you know that tan t by m equal to x. That means tan square t by m that equal to x square. Now sec square means 1 plus tan square. Okay. So sec square means sec square t by m, it will be 1 plus. So now sec t by m will be 1 plus tan square t by m. That means here this one will be 1 plus x square. Okay. So now in that case you have write down here e to the power m tan inverse x by m square plus 1. This one will be root over 1 plus x square and here m plus x. So your final answer will be here I equal to e to the power m tan inverse x by m square plus 1 by root over 1 plus x square into m plus x plus c as your answer. Now next sum number 21(3), integration cosec cube x dx. So as here integration cosec cube means cosec x and here cosec square x dx. So now here if you apply here by parts, so it will be first write down here cosec x, then integration cosec square x dx minus ddx of cosec x that equal to cot x and integration cosec square x that equal to also minus cotec x, sorry minus cot x. So minus cot x and cosec x, sorry. So now here you can apply the by parts formula. So first one write down cosec x integration cosec square x dx, then plus, then first derivative of cosec x. So derivative of cosec x it will be minus cot x cosec x, okay, and then integration cosec square x that equal to minus cot x, so dx. So write down here cosec x integration here cosec square x it will be minus cot x plus, and here also minus, so plus minus it will be minus, then cot square x cosec x dx. Okay. So write down here minus cosec x cot x minus integration, first write down here cosec x and then cot square means you know that cosec square x minus 1. So cot square equal to cosec square x minus 1. Then again minus cosec x cot x. Then here cosec into cosec square it will be cosec cube x dx, then minus plus integration cosec x dx. So for this one you can write down I. So here minus cosec x cot x minus I, and then here integration cosec dx it will be log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. So right hand side you have I, so I plus I it will be 2i, so 2i minus cosec x cot x plus log of this one cot x plus c. So now I equal to half, then minus write down this one, so log of here cosec x minus cot x plus c. 1 integration cos log x. So first let here log x equal to t, then x equal to e to the power t. So here dx equal to e to the power t dt, okay, dx equal to e to the power t dt. So here I equal to integration cos t, and instead of dx write down e to the power t dt. Now you know that the by parts cos t, integration e to the power t, it will be e to the power t, then minus integration derivative of cos t, that equal to sin t, then again e to the power t dt. Now as same as the previous one, you know that, so it will be now here sin t e to the power t, then minus, and here derivative, so integration cos t e to the power t dt. Okay, so now here e to the power t cos t plus e to the power t sin t, and this one will be I plus c. So now here left hand side 2I equal to e to the power t common, cos t plus sin t. So now I equal to half e to the power t means x, here cos log x plus sin log x plus c as your answer. Now the last one. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. So here 22 I equal to integration sin inverse x by x square dx. So first let sin inverse x equal to t, then x equal to sin t. Now derivative of this one, it will be dx by root over 1 minus x square, that equal to dt. So from that dx equal to dt into this square. Now here dt into this one, as here x square means sin square, so 1 minus sin square t dt. Now you know that 1 minus sin square t, that equal to cos square t. So root over cos square t, that equal to cos t. So cos t dt, that means dx equal to cos t dt. So now integration here t and dx equal to cos t dt, here x square means sin square t. So now cos t by sin t, that equal to cot t, and another 1 by sin t, that equal to cosec t. So t cot t cosec t dt. So now here t is the first function, integration cot t t cosec t dt, minus integration derivative of t, that equal to 1, so no need to write down here. Next integration cosec t, here cot t, not cos t, cot t dt, and then dt. So now integration of cot t cosec t, it will be minus cosec t. You have to know that integration cot t cosec t, it will be minus cosec t, plus here also minus, so minus minus plus cosec t dt. Now minus t cosec t, and integration cosec t, it will be log mod cosec t minus cot t plus c. So now we have to replace the value of t, as here t equal to sin inverse x, so minus sin inverse x, here sin t equal to x, then cosec t equal to 1 by x, plus log, here also 1 by x, and I hope you can find out the value of cot t, as here sin square equal to x square, then cosec square equal to 1 by x square, and from that you can easily find out cot t. So here cot t equal to root over 1 minus x square by x. So here x is the LCM, so 1 minus root over 1 minus x square plus c, and that is your answer.